Get ready for shamefulness in 3, 2, 1. This is supposed to be a burping Super Mario Bros. Theme. This sounds nothing. Is he typing too while doing this? He's out of breath. You missed a couple. You missed a couple notes. This is just horrible. This is well. I'm told I have talent, so here's a vid in line of my talents. Hope you enjoy it, people. That's the info. Yep. It sounds nothing like the Super Mario Bros. Theme. Honestly, it just doesn't sound like it. Does not sound like it. It just randomly cuts off too. Okay, let's look at some of the comments. So we got this face, and I don't know about that. Some Spanish. This is terrible. I can agree with that. This video makes me angry for... This video makes me, for some reason, angry. I'm gonna up that. I can't top this, dude. Yeah, this is retarded. Again, another one up. That's funny. This is epic. No. Yeah, no. This is not burping the Mario's theme. Burping the Mario's theme is actually burping the friggin' Mario's theme, not burping random shit.